Hello investors, welcome back to the channel. So it's that time of the month. Today we're going to be showing you guys my passive income that I've gotten from August and September, actually, because we didn't make a video on it. But I'm going to be showing you all the companies that paid me out in dividends. This is a way that even you yourself can make passive income just by holding stocks in your portfolio. They're going to pay you out a certain amount, a certain percentage every quarter or even every month. So it's kind of like passive income, free money just for holding stocks, and anybody can do it, including yourself. So if you're interested in dividend investing, check out this whole video. Make sure you watch until the end. If you want to sign up for M1 Finance and invest in stocks, I'm going to have a referral link in the description. If you use my referral code, you get $10 when you sign up and start investing, and I also get $10. So now, before we get into the video and all of my investment and the dividends I got paid out, leave a comment below. How much have you received in dividends in the past 2 months, and what is your best dividend holding stock that you have in your portfolio, and what is your favorite dividend to invest in? What dividend do you think, what company should I add into my portfolio? Leave a comment below. Let's get into the portfolio and show you guys what companies paid me out in dividends. Okay, so the first company that paid me dividends for August 1st, 2019 is going to be AT&T. AT&T paid me out $2.19, and AT&T has a dividend of 5.44%, which is a pretty nice dividend in my opinion. AT&T has been going up lately. We had a huge investor, invest money into it, and he's kind of like expecting good things from AT&T. So AT&T is a really good stock to be holding if you're an investor. Next up is going to be Verizon. Verizon also has a very bright future, with the whole 5G competition and everything going on. Verizon is great, and they also pay out a dividend of 4.11%. They paid me out $2.88 on August 1st. And then we have LQD. LQD is a bond ETF, and I only have a little bit invested in it, but LQD pays out a monthly dividend actually. So every month, instead of every quarter, every month you're going to be getting money, which is actually a very good thing. I like monthly dividends because you can reinvest that money right away instead of having to wait every 3 months to invest it. So monthly dividends are actually a very positive thing because you're going to get your money earlier, which means you can reinvest that drip and get more money quicker. So LQD has a dividend of 3.31%. On August 7th they paid me out 61 cents. Next up we have O is also a monthly dividend. It is a real estate investing stock, and this one paid me out 97 cents, and this was on August 15th. O has a dividend of 3.47%. Realty Income is a really good company in my opinion. This is one of my top real estate holdings. I have 3 of them, and I believe that all 3 are great. I have one that I'm looking at right now that I might add to the portfolio as well. Next up we have Welltower. Welltower is a great quarterly dividend paying company. They pay out 3.78%. On August 22nd they paid me $2.64. SPHD is an ETF. It's a high dividend, low volatility, and SPHD is a monthly dividend once again, which is amazing. Once again, I love monthly dividends because I can reinvest my money right away, and their dividend is pretty decent, actually coming at 3.01%, and they paid me out $1.26 on August 30th. Next up we have PFE, which is Pfizer. Pfizer actually is one of my worst holdings in my portfolio right now. They pay a decent dividend. It's like 4.01%, but if we take a look right here in my portfolio, Pfizer is doing very bad. I mean, if you look right there, I'm down 15.54%. It's not looking good for me, but this gives me an opportunity. This is a good buying opportunity. I can buy some more shares of it, and hopefully I can average down, and in the future I can actually get back into the profits with it. But they paid me out $1.47. The dividend's pretty decent, about 4%. Next up we have Walmart. Walmart's dividend is not the best. I mean, I like Walmart, but their dividend is kind of very low. It's only at 1.79%, which is pretty decent. They paid me out $1.36 on September 3rd. Next up right here we have SO, Southern Company, and they paid me out $2.54 on September 6th. SO has a dividend of 4%, and it's a quarterly dividend paying stock. After that we have LQD. LQD, we actually mentioned earlier, I believe. LQD is a monthly dividend, as we mentioned earlier. They pay out 3.31%, and they paid me 61 cents on September 9th. Next up, we have J&J, Johnson & Johnson. Very good healthcare company in my opinion. J&J has a dividend of about 2.84%, and on September 10th, they paid me out $1.22 in dividends. After that, we have Microsoft. We're going to be showing Microsoft actually twice on my other portfolio as well. Microsoft has a dividend of about 1.48%, and they paid me out $1.10 on September 12th. Microsoft is one of my favorite tech companies, actually. I believe that Microsoft has been doing great, is going to be doing great in the future, and it's probably one of the best stocks that you could be holding just in general. I mean, it's a great market cap right now. Apple is right behind there, but Microsoft is always number one in my opinion. Then we have O. Once again, as we stated earlier, it's a monthly dividend. They pay out 3.47%. They paid me 97 cents on September 13th. We have Duke Energy. I love these energy stocks actually. Duke has a dividend of 3.89%, and they paid me about $1.49 on September 16th. Pretty decent company. I'm making some good profits on that one. Dominion Energy, I believe. They have a dividend of 4.49%, which is really nice for me. Again, I'm going to be investing more into these higher dividends. They paid me $2.25 on September 20th. Really nice stock for me to hold, and it's a quarterly dividend, just like Duke. Next up, we have VNQ. It's a Vanguard real estate ETF, and Vanguard pays out a dividend of 3.78%. On September 27th, they paid me out $2.50, which is really nice. I love the REITs. You know, REITs are probably one of my favorite investments right now, and I kind of wish I would have invested more, because right now they're like all-time high, so I don't want to put more money into it, because I know that, you know, I'm going to regret it because it's already at a high price. And then we have sphd again. Like we said, monthly dividend, amazing, about 3.01%. They paid me out about $1.25 on September 30th. Really nice dividend. We have Pepsi and Coca-Cola coming in clutch here in the end. Pepsi has a dividend of 2.72%. They paid me out $1.36 on September 30th. And then we have Coca-Cola, their competitor. Coca-Cola has a little bit of a higher dividend than Pepsi, which is 2.93%. They paid me out $2.33 on October 1st, actually, but I'm going to include that into the thing since it's right now. But I like Coca-Cola, I like Pepsi, but I believe that Coca-Cola is a little bit better in my opinion. I just kind of trust it a little bit more than Pepsi, but they're both very beautiful stocks to hold. Now let's go into my Robinhood portfolio so I can show you the dividends that I got paid out on Robinhood. Okay, so first off, we're going to have Microsoft again. Like we said, Microsoft on September 12th, 2019, I have 12 shares of Microsoft, and they paid out a dividend of 46 cents per share, so I got paid $5.52. Microsoft's dividend is 1.48%. Beautiful company. This is my growth portfolio, but they still pay dividends, so I'm going to show it in this video as well. McDonald's, another beautiful company that I hold for growth, but it also has a decent dividend, so it's kind of like a win-win for me. McDonald's pays out a dividend of 2.36%, which comes out to be about $1.16 per share. So for my 6 shares on September 17th, McDonald's paid me $6.96 total. And then we have Waste Management. I love Waste Management. Beautiful company as well. They pay out a dividend of 1.76%, which is not the biggest dividend, but it's still something, which is about 51 cents per share. I have 5 shares, so on September 20th, they paid me out a total of about $2.56. Okay guys, so those are all the dividends that I got paid out for September and August. The total comes out to be about $46.04, which is not the best dividend. I mean, that comes about to be about $23 a month average. But as you guys know, my dividend average is about 4%, a little bit less than 4% in my portfolio. So I think that's pretty decent. I mean, $46 in the past 2 months for doing nothing just by holding companies. I think that's a great way to earn passive income. I'm going to continue to invest more. I'm waiting for a dip in the market, so I'm hoping that some type of dip happens in the near future, hopefully, so I can invest more money into dividend stocks and just keep adding more. Every year I want to add more so I can make more passive income, and eventually the goal is to be just getting money for free and pretty much sitting at home and don't have to work, just get passive income and being able to pay your bills. So make sure you smash that button for dividend stocks. Leave a comment below, what you guys think about all these dividend stocks. As I said before, your favorite dividend, what's your best holding, and how much have you been receiving in dividends? And any dividend stocks do you think I should add to my portfolio? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out all my other videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.